kids, welcome to Junior's Art, and today I'm gonna show you how to draw funny pages tip. So first of all, you have to draw an oval and then make a line and some webs like this. And here's I'm drawing the funny pages tips sunglass. A classical sunglass, but it's not the perfect shape I want, so I'm fixing it. Now it seems like okay. And here's the reflection. Both of the reflection should be the same. Now as usual, the page slice. Here looks like a page slice I'm showing it. And here's his funny hand. Perfect. Let's draw the other one. Cool. This is the melting cheese and some pepperonis. And our pages tips eyebrows. Okay. His big mouth. Wow! Again, some melting cheese. Perfect. Now I will use my black pen to outline all over the areas. I'm using one marker for the sunglass. Now clean all the pencil marks. Wow! It's color time! I'm using yellow for the cheese. Wow! He's looking amazing with yellow. And now for the pepperonis, I'm using orange. Oh my god, just look at the funny pages, Steve. He's looking amazing. I think I should cover his mouth with black. Oh my gosh, he's looking so smart. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.